everyone, it's Christiane, a Thermomix USA consultant, and today I'll be showing you how to use rice cooker mode in your Thermomix TM6. So today I'm going to make a whole grain medley. You could cook quinoa or rice in the rice cooker mode, and I'm going to be following the package directions. So for every 1 cup of rice, it says to use 2 cups of water. To get to our rice cooker mode on the Thermomix touchscreen, you can press the home button, go ahead and swipe over to the left, and find rice cooker at the bottom right corner. So something that's nice on the rice cooker mode is that it automatically detects for you how long the cooking time should be. So I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 cups of water first to the mixing bowl. And then I'll go ahead and add my rice. So next I'm going to put my lid back on top of the mixing bowl. And when you're using rice cooker mode, it's important to use the simmering basket on top instead of the measuring cup. You want to be able to let the steam rise up and escape from the mixing bowl. So I'm going to set that on top, and all you have to do is turn the knob. It will start cooking for us. So it's set a time of approximately 29 minutes that may adjust during the cooking time. Okay, our rice cooker mode is finished. Let's check on our rice. Perfectly cooked rice. So I'll show you what it looks like a little bit closer. And here is our perfectly cooked rice. If you have any questions on rice cooker mode or the Thermomix TM6, leave me a comment below or send me a message.